move on to threading our bobbin, I want to show you how to thread the top portion of your machine again, this time from a zoomed out angle so that you can see all of the steps in action. From our spool of thread, we take our thread, we hook it around our number 1 right here. We go down the channel for number 2. We hook it around this plastic piece at number 3. We come up and hook our thread from right to left around this metal hook that is called the take-up lever. We let it have a little click so that it is through the eye of that take-up lever, and then we bring our thread back down that same channel, coming down to our needle. Now that our thread is down at the number 5, we are going to hook it around this metal piece, and then we are going to hook it from left to right behind the metal piece that is right above our needle. So we have a hook right here and a hook right here. Now your thread is right above your needle. From there, all you have to do is thread the end and tail of your thread through the eye of your needle. Once it's through the eye of your needle, you pull it out the back, and then you put it underneath your presser foot. Now that the top portion of our sewing machine is threaded, it's time to thread our bobbin.